Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you don't know, I am Joey, and this is my garage. It has been 1 week, and I am super excited for some results. If you haven't seen last week's episode, you would know that I am testing the FiltroMax magnetic oil filter attachment. This thing was pretty awesome. I'll put a link up in the video right now, a card, and go ahead and watch that video because you're gonna see this is a really cool product. This was holding a 5-pound hammer and a 10-pound hammer with ease. So I attached it to my oil filter, had it running for a week, and I get to see the results. I am excited about this. And if you're interested in getting one of these, as I said, it's a brand new product, FiltroMax super strength magnets attached to them. It's silicone. I'll put a link to the website in my description of the video. And if you use the code Joey, you'll get 10% off. So it comes out to about 20 bucks for one of these. And it is worth it. This thing is actually really amazing, and I can't wait to see the results. I know they're going to be good. I just don't know how much. So let me get under my truck. I'm going to pull that oil filter, cut it open, and see what I have. Oil filter has been cut open, and check out those results. That is amazing. I'll put a full screen up right now so you can see it really well, and as expected, it worked as advertised. I wanted to test it out, and I researched into it before trying it out just to see if it would work and what's the difference between using these high-powered magnets compared to just like a standard magnet. And that's why, again, if you haven't seen the beginning episode or last week's, I tested it out with the hammers to show that it is very powerful magnets. That way those little particles under pressure and as that oil is flowing up and down, through the system, they're going to stay at the magnet and not get pushed back up. So those are the results. It caught these little itty bitty particles, and the magnets are tested up to 1 micron it can catch. Now a regular oil filter can catch 14 to 50 microns is the low end. So this thing is catching everything that paper filter is missing. And with that, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video. Comment if you think I did something right, wrong. Let me know. I'll retry it out. And as always, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned because I'm going to continue testing this. Is there going to be more next time? Let's find out. Thank you for watching.